Although biologists have made tremendous progress in mapping the human genome, the genetic roots of most common diseases remained largely elusive. So we read this sentence and notice there's only one underlined word, so that helps us narrow down what could possibly be wrong. It's likely, if there's anything wrong, to be some kind of verb, either tense or verb conjugation, or some kind of error with the verb in itself. Now we read the first part of the sentence and it says, although biologists have made tremendous progress. Now this is the present perfect tense, but all we really care about technically is that it's present tense, right? This is something that has happened in the past up to now, up to this point, right? They have made, you can imagine in parentheses, up to this point have made tremendous progress, blah, 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 right? So this is present tense. But then the sentence resorts to the genetic roots of most common diseases remained. Well, wait a minute. We're in the present tense right now because this is indicated to us that all this stuff has happened in the past up to now. And yeah, this is in past tense. That's not good. We want this to be in present tense. So we'll get rid of A. B is also in past tense. Let's look at the choices. C, remain. Well, remain is present tense, but we got to make sure we are then conjugating correctly, that it's a subject-verb agreement is not the issue. So what is the noun that goes with remain? What is remain largely elusive? Well, it's the genetic roots, which is plural, which means this must be plural, which means indeed it must be remain, right? The genetic roots remain. That's good. Are remaining. Now that's also present tense. It's present progressive. Are remaining, right? It's happening currently. But we don't really prefer that over C. I mean, D is a little bit more wordy. It doesn't really add anything that's really necessary to the sentence, so we can get rid of D. E is also present tense, but it's the singular version, right? If it was the genetic root remains, it would be fine, but we need the plural, so we can get rid of E. So the answer here is going to be C.